Today we're going to learn how to remove the clippered flush valve from an O2 flush valve assembly from any number of PENLON products distributed by DRE. So we've got our DRE VS02. This flush valve inside here is the same as the flush valve assembly that would go in one of our full-size machines. So I'm going to take this apart, and then we'll go about removing the one from the VS02. So first thing I'm going to do is get my flat head screwdriver, and I'm going to remove the button. So the button's there, no sticker on there, and I'll show you how we can kind of overcome that if we don't have a spare sticker. And now we will take this ring off, which essentially is a retaining ring to keep the valve in under pressure. So again, the orientation of this when you put it back together does matter. The screw for the retention ring is countersunk, and you can tell inside there by looking at it that it'll match up with the countersunk. If we don't have another sticker, what we can do in a jam is simply make a slice here and to remove the button. So we know that the button screw is at roughly around the 7 o'clock position. So I'm going to just make a small incision, essentially. It will allow me to stick my screwdriver in and get this bolt out along with the button. We've got a little bit more to go here. Okay, so yes, there's a little hole in our sticker here, but what we're going to do is put a clear plastic overlay on that. Now this is, of course, in a pinch, okay? Can certainly order these and have some spares on hand. So now I'm going to take the retention collar or ring off. Different screw, different style screw at the 2 o'clock position. And now my clippered valve's in here. So I'm just going to grab some needle nose pliers and gently grab the post and pull. And it should come out relatively easy. So a couple things happen to the clippered valve. Sometimes the air or the gas will leak past it and you'll have a small leak. I've been in the field before without a spare, and I've been able to Krytox it and simply change the position and reinsert, retest, and 9 times out of 10 I have no issues. So anyway, we've got the clippered valve, and I'm going to put some Krytox on these O-rings, reinsert it, put it back together. So that's how you replace the clippered flush valve in a DRE VS02. If you have any other questions, let us know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.